Hey guys, so this is Aaron from Studio 3B. I haven't talked to you in a while. I've been busy with lots of other things, as you could imagine. And I just wanted to say, last video I did was with a clean install of macOS Ventura. Now since then, macOS Sonoma has been released. This is October 2023. And I see in the App Store, I literally have the option to just download it from the App Store. So I thought I would just give that a shot for you guys at home, seeing if it's going to work. And just briefly, my hardware specs are 3.4 gigahertz quad core Intel i7 with a Radeon RX 580 8 gigabyte AMD graphics card, and I'm running Ventura 13.5.2. I have a Mac Pro 2019 Symbiosis, and that's about all that's interesting from this computer, besides the two monitors and an SSD. So, yeah, if you want to see all the OpenCore settings, go to my previous videos. I've gone through that ad nauseum. So I'm just going to try to get this from the App Store and just do an upgrade and just see if it works. And I know it's fairly new, and I'm probably going to have a lot of incompatibilities when it comes to certain things, but hey, someone's got to be a guinea pig, right? So I clicked get here. I'm going to download it. And I'm still downloading this, so I'm going to keep waiting. Okay, so I got my first hiccup here. I got an error occurred while running Install Assistant. That's interesting. There's something to watch out for. Okay, so it looks like the download completed. Definitely back up your computer. I have Time Machine backups of my computer to an external server, and that's something I highly recommend anybody do all the time, but especially before an upgrade such as this. So I'm currently backed up as of like within the hour or so. I'm going to go ahead and pull the trigger on this, and if I don't like what's happening, I'm going to restore from a Time Machine backup. Hopefully that won't cause me any problems, but let's hope this is seamless. And I got this error: the update cannot be installed on this computer. Yeah, as far as I got with that. All right, so that didn't work. So let's try one more time. Agree. The update cannot be installed on this computer. Alright, it doesn't like what I have going on here. Okay, so I deleted install macOS Sonoma from my applications directory because I think it was corrupted or something. I'm going to try it one more time. Now it's letting me do it. So I think the previous download, when I was futzing with the screen recording and things, I think I messed up the download. So let's see if this works. I backed up my disk, like I said, to Time Machine, so if anything goes wrong, hopefully I could restore from there. And I'll come back to you from the other side. Okay, just checking in here. 27 minutes remaining, and it seems every minute that it says it's going by is 5 minutes my time, or even more. It's going really slow. All right, we just jumped from 27 minutes to 10 minutes. So that's promising. Hopefully it's making some progress. Hey guys, just checking back in. Looks like we got the installation to complete with the Apple App Store upgrade path, and after that hiccup with the downloading of the corrupted installer and deleting that, the new the second installer I downloaded seemed to work. So it took all in all about an hour, I would say, to run the installer. The time estimated remaining wasn't quite accurate throughout the thing, but at least we got here. I got a lighter gray title bar, and I don't know what else is in this release. I haven't watched the press release, or I haven't seen the release notes and read them too thoroughly. So there are some bells and whistles you're going to get with this release, and kind of curious to see how they integrate. So I will have to check back in with you later once I've been using this for a little longer. But good news is successfully running. I got the same computer, the 2019 Mac Pro Symbiosis with the 3.4 i7 AMD Radeon RX 580. So, okay, not so fast. I see that there is a new iCloud terms and conditions that you're forced to accept. Let's take a look at that. Let's read that thoroughly. Okay, agree. Okay, I noticed that my Wi-Fi is not working, and I thought it might have something to do with those terms and conditions. Also, the desktop is doing this funny thing where it hides all the, there we go, hides all the windows. So my Wi-Fi, I have the FenV T919 card installed, and it was working with Ventura, and now it's not working in Sonoma. Well, I might have to fix my config.plist for the Wi-Fi. That's good to know, because now I'm gonna not have AirDrop. Okay guys, one final update here. I did do a little research into getting the Wi-Fi to work, and I made some progress and some failures in the process. So I followed this tutorial by Andreas Mastokas. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that name. But I was following this tutorial. I'll leave a link in the description. I did the first few steps with the adding of the kex and adding the block section, and I did do the minimum version of 23.0.0, and I disabled SIP. I did all these steps, cleared the NVRAM, and now I have Wi-Fi recognized, but no, it does not find any of my Wi-Fi access points. So at this step right now, I have Bluetooth working more stably. It doesn't seem to be, my Bluetooth trackpad does not seem to be as slow and laggy, and I'm able to find this computer in my AirDrop from my iPhone. So I guess AirDrop should work now. The final step he suggests doing is using the OC legacy patcher that is in his zip that he links to down here. And I used his kex, but then when I used the OC legacy patcher, I rebooted, I got a black screen. I think it was trying to look for an NVIDIA graphics card, which I don't have installed. And so then I had to reboot into my Linux. I dual boot with Fedora, and I had to put nv_disable equals 1 into my boot args to disable NVIDIA. Then it boots to Sonoma, but it's like no graphics acceleration whatsoever, and it was impossible to use at all. I couldn't even log in. So frustrated, I went to the recovery and I just reinstalled Sonoma from the recovery. So I still have the config.plist that I did from this tutorial, and I'm running his kex that he gave from his download on Google Drive, but I am not using the legacy patcher. So I'm going to live with no Wi-Fi, which is fine. I use Ethernet anyway, but at least the AirDrop should work. So that's where I'm going to leave it for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks. Like and subscribe. Comment below. Thank you.